Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just got this Lavalier microphone for iPhone for only $10 from Amazon, and this one right now I am using. And I'm in this video I'm going to do some test and check how this $10 microphone works. It's coming with two pair of microphones and a receiver, and you can connect it to your iPhone, or you can use it for to GoPro. Like, you need a converter in that case because it has USB-C. It's mainly for phone. So let's do a test and see how it works. And before doing that, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box. Let's open the box. It's supposed to have two microphones and one receiver, plus this case can do also charge. And let me, before I do all the testing, I want to show you what comes inside the box. So you can see this is one. This will go to back of your iPhone or your Android phone. It works both with iPhone and Android phone. And this is USB-C. This is USB-C, so that's what you need. And these are the microphones. It comes with the clip, two microphones, and this also gives, the case can give charge. And let me see what else it has. So they are giving one converter, like USB-C to regular lightning cable, which is very important because my phone doesn't have a USB-C. I have the old one. So they are giving this converter, which is very important. Plus they are giving one USB charger, like USB-C charger, so that you can charge it. How many actually they are giving? Oh, that's interesting. So this is like two charger. You can charge two things together. So if you want to charge them separately, this one and this device, you can do that separately. So this device can charge from here as well as from here, and it's only $10. So let me give it a full charge and do the testing. I'll give it a full charge and do the testing. So it has full charge right now after doing the charge, and you can see it is showing 100%. So I'm gonna connect it and do the testing right now. So friends, looks like this is not charged even. If you see, the plastic is there. So before even I use it, I have to give it a charge. So I'm putting it there, and let me see. It is showing 100% here, but is it getting charged or not? I'm not sure. I have to put all this in there. So the box is charged 100%, but these microphones may not be charged yet, so that need to get charged. So I'm putting it here, and I will make sure that it gets full charge, then I will try. So friends, I give it a full charge. Now you can see actually this got charged from this device, from the case. So the case is also will give you charge, and both of the microphones got charged from the case. I didn't put it in charge, like I didn't connect it here. And now see, to charge it, it gets like 25%. So now it has 76% charge, the case. So let's connect. So this one I have, and since my iPhone, it doesn't have the USB-C, so I need this lightning cable, and I'm connecting it here, and you can see the red light flashes. So red light is on. Now if I take it out, and you can see you can charge separately these ones, and this is the power button, and if I turn it on, you see it is showing the charge, not 100% charged. and the flashing of this red light is gone, and you see the paired sign. This is already paired, so this is already paired. Now let's do the test, and let me connect the other one as well. So I turn it on, and you can see it's paired right away. So this has full charge and this doesn't have full charge yet, so that's how it is. So friends, now I am using this microphone, and as you can see, like, so you can tell me actually the voice, how the voice is, how the audio quality is. I am just first time I am recording on this, so let's make sure that it is from this here. So I do some tapes and make sure that it is from this here, from this one. So now let me do a check, like how the audio quality is. Also in the meantime, you already know how the audio quality is, so let me do a check. Friends, I just checked the audio quality. It looks good to me. It's again, it's a $10 microphone, and I think the audio quality is good. And now the test is distance test. So I will be going little far from my camera, my iPhone, and it will be how much, like right now around 1 2 3 4 5, almost 30 feet. I'm almost 30 feet, more than that. And you can check the audio quality, how the audio quality is. Let me put a tap on this, so the audio should be from here, and you can tell me how the audio quality is, or if it disconnected, you will know. Let me go and check it now. So friends, I just checked the audio quality, like disconnection, it didn't disconnect. The audio was recorded correctly, fully, even I was almost 35 feet away from the camera. So as they said, it can support up to 65 feet, but I'm okay with that. That should be enough, otherwise you won't be able to shown in the camera. This is the wind test. Right now I am getting some wind, so uh, see the wind speed. So we'll check, like I'm trying to record something, and we'll check how the how wind noise it can cancel how much. So let me check that. So I just checked how that was recorded, and I heard the noise of the wind. So it's not that good to do the wind noise cancellation, and it doesn't come with any cap or anything for wind noise cancellation or anything. So maybe when you are recording in a beach or very windy area, it may not be perfect, so you have to think about something. But this is $10 one for like regular purpose, like who is not doing any professional things, then it is good. So that's one more test is done, and another test is the battery life. um, that I can tell only after using for some time. Right now I cannot tell how much battery life is, and they're giving 2, so it's perfect for if you take any interview or something like that, it will be perfect for that. That's really good. So far I am happy with this, with all the tests. So that looks nice, and it's again, it's I just got it from Amazon for $10, and I think that will be perfect for doing all this kind of bloggings and all those. If you are like somebody who is looking for some cheap things like me, like doesn't want to spend a lot of money, then I think this is a very good solution. And again, if it's losing the battery, you can easily give charge from this case. So that's another good thing. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video. If you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box. And if you have any question, like a battery life, because after some time I can tell actually how the battery life is, and then you can just put it in the comment, and I will try to reply you based on my experience how it is going on. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.